What do I do if I forget my Nintendo sign-in ID or password?
Hey there, Nintendo fans. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing what you should do if you forget your Nintendo sign-in ID or password. Losing access to your account can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in and find out how to regain access to your Nintendo account.
Forgot sign-in ID.
Step 1. Visit the Nintendo account sign-in page. The first thing you'll want to do if you forget your Nintendo sign-in ID is to visit the Nintendo account sign-in page. You can find this page on the official Nintendo website. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Sign-in ID. Once you're on the sign-in page, look for the option that says Forgot Your Sign-in ID and click on it. This will take you to the account recovery page. Step 3. Enter the required information on the account recovery page. You'll be asked to enter some information to verify your identity. Fill in the required fields, which may include your email address, date of birth, and other relevant details. Make sure to provide accurate information to the best of your knowledge. Step 4. Follow the account recovery process. After entering the necessary information, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account recovery process. Nintendo may ask you to provide additional details or answer security questions to verify your identity. Cooperate with the instructions provided to proceed. Step 5. Check your email. Once you've completed the account recovery process, Nintendo will send an email to the address associated with your account. Open the email and look for the instructions on how to recover your sign-in ID. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders as well in case the email ends up there. Step 6. Retrieve your sign-in ID. Follow the instructions provided in the email to retrieve your sign-in ID. It may involve clicking on a link or following specific steps outlined in the email. Be sure to keep your sign-in ID in a secure place to avoid future issues.
Forgot password.
Step 1. Visit the Nintendo account sign-in page. If you forget your password, the first thing you should do is visit the Nintendo account sign-in page, just like we did in the previous section. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the sign-in page, look for the option that says Forgot Your Password and click on it. This will take you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter the required information on the password recovery page. You'll need to provide your sign-in ID or email address associated with your Nintendo account. Enter the required information accurately. Step 4. Complete the verification process. Nintendo will initiate a verification process to confirm your identity. This may involve sending a verification code to your email address or asking you to answer security questions. Follow the instructions provided and complete the verification process. Step 5. Set a new password. Once your identity is verified, you'll be prompted to set a new password for your Nintendo account. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Remember to keep your new password in a secure place to prevent unauthorized access. And there you have it. If you ever find yourself forgetting your Nintendo sign-in ID or password, just remember the steps we discussed in this video. By following the account recovery process for a forgotten sign-in ID or resetting your password, you'll regain access to your Nintendo account in no time. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Nintendo.